Now I want to talk about, jump to May of 2023. This is when you took control of the home on Willow Creek. Is that right, Willow Creek?
Willow.
Right?
Yeah, it is Willow Creek.
Okay. You said you had the locks changed. Was that immediately?
As quick as the locksmith could get there.
All right. So within a week?
No, within a matter of hours, that locksmith was there.
And then you had cameras installed.
I installed the cameras.
You did that yourself?
I had the help of a family member.
All right. And you installed cameras outside the home?
Cameras outside as well as inside the home.
As well as inside. Is that the only time cameras were installed? Were they all installed at that time? Or were there cameras that then were installed later, additional cameras?
There's a substantial amount of cameras. As cameras needed more batteries, things to swap out, things like that, I had to have a replacement. And so I did add an additional camera here and there in order to have a replacement on site. So yeah, I mean, I'd say that the original bulk were installed, and then later on I would add supplemental cameras for more redundancy, batteries, things like that.
All right. Both inside and outside?
Correct.
When was the last time the cameras were installed in the home?
Do you mean the bulk of the cameras, or if I brought in another camera?
When was the very last time you installed any cameras in the home? Or outside the home, to be clear.
That would have been years ago. I mean, it's been a long time.
All right. Now, you said that whenever someone needed to enter the home, you went with them.
Yes.
That's true. So every single time someone has entered that home, you have been present?
Yes.
Now, law enforcement has entered that home many times since May of 2023, correct?
Yes.
And each time, there was more than one law enforcement officer that entered the home.
Yes, I believe so. You'd have to check their records.
All right. And they came to execute search warrants on the home.
Yes.
Do you recall how many times they searched the home between 2023 and today?
I don't have an exact number. They would have a better record.
If I told you 10?
Seems reasonable.
Does that seem reasonable? The last time they searched that home was 2 weeks ago, I believe today, correct?
Yes.
So almost 4 years after Mr. Richins' death, law enforcement is still searching the home.
Yes.
Are you aware if they removed things from the home every time they came into the home?
I'm not aware. You'd have to check their records.
Yeah, I'm just asking if you were aware.
If they removed, typically as a result of a search warrant, I would think they would have removed items each time.
Correct. And, you were there, correct?
Yes.
All right. So you saw them removing items from the home?
I receive a search warrant, and they would write the items that they were there to pick up.
Okay.
So I can't tell you for sure every time they left if they left with that item.
All right, makes sense. Now, there have been other people in the home besides law enforcement.
Yes.
People have been into the home to collect belongings for the boys, correct?
Not people. It would primarily be me, as well as occasionally it would primarily just be me. I believe in one instance I had a family member help me carry some clothing out of the home, but that's it.
There was a family friend who came in early on and removed things from the home, or a distant relative.
I wouldn't say removed things. Anything that was taken out of that home was all the children's belongings. So it would be their clothing, if they requested a trophy, if they wanted a fish out of the home that was a stuffed fish, for example. So those would be the items that would have sentimental value that the kids had wanted out of the home. And that would be me. So they would give me the items that they had wanted. I would go pick them up, and then I would take them.
All right.